In virtue of the infatuation and fascination with the ocean, in order to shuttle through the ocean freely, explore the magical ocean unrestrainedly, and capture the epic underwater moments, FIFISH has made breakthroughs over technical barriers to launch a new product, FIFISH P3. FIFISH P3 has an extraordinary performance on stability and reliability, with 3 thrusters power system, 100 meters working depth, 6 directions of movements, 2 hours operating time. FIFISH is specifically designed for complicated, tricky underwater environments. With unremitting efforts to pursue HD footage, FIFISH has gained breakthrough progress on camera system, equipped with Ambarella chipset, 1-inch Sony CMOS sensor, and 162 FOV ultra-wide-angle lens. FIFISH P3 could capture 4K HD footage and 20-megapixel photos in underwater environment. For those who are water frightening, you could also explore under the waves without jumping into the water. In addition, 4,000 Lumens LED lights with 8 levels adjustable brightness ensure you can capture more detail with high performance in dark environments. Equipped with FIFISH app, FIFISH P3 could watch the epic moments in 1080p real-time streaming. It can beautify videos or pictures as you wish by clicking with one button. FIFISH apps allow you share stunning underwater moments to all social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WeChat instantly. Join us and let's rediscover the sea.